What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car remote starter on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Compustar Remote Start. Compustar CS7900AS all-in-one two-way remote start and alarm bundle brings added confidence for daily driving and parking in busy areas. This system is designed for cars, trucks, and vehicles that support drone mobile integration and focuses on communication between the vehicle and the driver. I have not used this product before, yet the provided details explain how it supports awareness and control from a long distance. The remote communication reaches up to 3,000 feet, allowing interaction even when the vehicle is far away. Two-way communication gives confirmation back to the remote so the user knows when a command has reached the vehicle. This interaction helps reduce uncertainty in crowded parking spaces or during late hours. Audible alerts can reach 105 decibels, which supports attention during security events. Security coverage can extend around the vehicle by supporting detection for entry points and physical impact. When unexpected activity happens, the handheld screen can notify the user with clear alerts about the situation. This awareness helps the driver respond faster and stay informed about vehicle status without being nearby. The bundle includes a control module along with alert components that work together to support protection and remote starting. Some vehicles may need additional parts, which are sold separately and are not part of the package. Wiring diagrams and setup guidance are not provided, and professional installation is required to ensure proper operation and safety. This solution fits drivers looking for long-range interaction, dependable feedback, and enhanced vehicle awareness. The brand Compustar is widely known in the vehicle security market, which helps with compatibility and support expectations. The overall system supports convenience, peace of mind, and informed control for everyday vehicle use. In our list, the number 2 product name is MPC Remote Start Kit. MPC Remote Start Kit, compatible with Toyota Highlander model years 2014 through 2019, supports comfortable vehicle preparation during different weather conditions. I have not used this product before, yet the shared information explains how this solution connects with factory systems already present inside the vehicle. The setup relies on existing keyless entry, which allows operation without carrying extra accessories. Activation happens through the original remote by pressing the lock button 3 times. This approach helps reduce clutter while keeping daily routines simple. The system is designed only for automatic transmission vehicles and includes built-in protection that turns the engine off once a door opens. That behavior supports safety and prevents unwanted movement. Installation relies on a plug connection method using a dedicated harness. This reduces complex wiring and limits the need for cutting or modifying factory connections. Instructions guide placement and connection points so individuals familiar with basic vehicle electronics may complete the process successfully. Extra options may require more wiring depending on personal needs. The package includes a data interface module prepared with preloaded software matched to the specific vehicle range. All required components arrive ready for placement inside the dashboard area. Dimensions measure 12 inches by 15.5 inches by 0.5 inches, and the total weight is 6.4 ounces, which supports compact placement. Additional expansion is possible through separate mobile interface modules that allow control through a smartphone. Remote options with longer communication distance are also available separately for users wanting extended interaction. Technical assistance is based in the United States with guidance options designed to provide updated information during setup. This remote start solution fits drivers seeking simple operation, seasonal comfort, and compatibility with factory controls while maintaining a clean interior experience. In our list, the number 3 product name is Dorman Remote 4-button compatible. Dorman 99352 keyless entry remote offers a practical replacement option for certain Chevrolet and GMC vehicles. I have not used this product before, yet the provided details describe a transmitter designed to match original appearance and operation for supported models. The housing uses black plastic and feels lightweight, which may help daily handling without bulk. This remote is intended for drivers who already have factory-equipped keyless entry. Setup is designed for home use through a small programming device that connects with the onboard diagnostic port. This process can reduce time spent visiting service locations and may help control costs during replacement situations. Having at least one original key or existing remote is required to complete pairing successfully. Compatibility depends on vehicle year, make, model, and trim. Checking confirmation tools before purchase helps ensure proper matching and avoids ordering mistakes. Some vehicles include additional notes that should be reviewed carefully to confirm suitability. This step supports confidence when choosing a spare or replacement option. Operation is designed to mirror the original controller, so daily habits remain familiar. Button layout follows expected placement, which helps users adjust quickly without learning new patterns. The compact build supports pocket storage or attachment to a key ring without discomfort. Item weight measures 0.01 ounces, which keeps overall load minimal. Dorman is a recognized brand in automotive replacement parts and focuses on practical solutions for everyday drivers. This remote suits individuals seeking a straightforward substitute that aligns with factory systems while maintaining original convenience and comfort. In our list, the number 4 product name is Compustar Remote Starter Kit. Compustar All-in-One CS8920AS two-way interactive liquid crystal display remote starter kit and alarm system is designed for drivers seeking dependable communication with their automobile from a long distance. I have not used this product before, however, the available details describe a solution focused on awareness control and protection during daily routines. The system operates through hardwired power and includes battery backup, which helps maintain operation during unexpected power loss. Communication distance can reach up to 3,000 feet, allowing interaction across large parking areas or residential spaces. Two-way interaction provides confirmation back to the handheld screen so commands are acknowledged clearly. Visual and sound feedback helps users feel informed while managing access and starting functions from afar. The black remote housing supports a clear display for status updates. Compatibility extends to most automatic transmission vehicles and supports diesel engines. Smartphone connectivity becomes possible when an optional drone module is added, which expands control options beyond the handheld unit. The control module works alongside alert components that support monitoring of movement and unauthorized activity. When unusual events occur, notifications appear on the interactive display explaining what is happening. Coverage can expand around entry points and exterior areas depending on configuration. Alerts help users respond quickly even when away from their automobile. Backup remote support ensures continued access if the primary unit is unavailable. This layered communication approach focuses on reassurance and situational awareness. Some automobiles may need additional components, which are sold separately. Setup materials are not provided, and professional installation is strongly recommended to ensure correct wiring and safe operation. Dimensions measure 10.5 inches by 7 inches by 3.5 inches, which supports placement within interior compartments. This system suits individuals looking for extended range interaction, responsive feedback, and adaptable security support while maintaining compatibility with modern driving needs. In our list, the number 5 product name is MPC Remote Start Kit Compatible. MPC Remote Start Kit compatible with Jeep Wrangler covering model years 2007 through 2018 supports everyday driving comfort during cold mornings or hot afternoons. I have not used this product before, however, the shared information explains a system designed to work smoothly with original vehicle electronics. Operation depends on the factory key fob already supplied with the automobile, which helps preserve a familiar routine. Engine activation happens by pressing the lock button 3 times using the original remote. This approach allows drivers to prepare cabin temperature before entry without adding new devices. Once inside, the driver inserts the key into the ignition and continues driving normally. The setup is intended only for automatic transmission vehicles, which helps maintain proper operation and safety. Installation relies on a plug connection method that avoids complex wiring tasks. A dedicated harness connects directly to factory points located behind the steering column cover. Access requires removal of the cover, but the actual connection process involves simple plug actions. Firmware arrives preloaded to match the supported vehicle range, which reduces setup time. All required components are included inside the package. Product dimensions measure 12 inches by 15.5 inches by 0.5 inches, and overall weight is 7 ounces. The compact design supports discrete placement inside the dashboard area. The item model number is 3642 and production status remains active. Optional upgrades allow expanded control through a smartphone interface module available separately, with shipping limited to the continental United States. Additional remote choices can extend communication distance up to 1,500 feet depending on selection. Technical assistance is provided from the United States with support teams based in Tucson, Arizona. Multiple help options are available and quick response instructions guide users toward the most current installation information. This solution suits Jeep Wrangler owners seeking simple integration, dependable operation, and factory remote convenience without altering interior design.